Okay, so we're looking at 2008 block again. We're looking at analysing data. It's only 2 questions, so it's going to be a nice quick block. So what I want to do again is to read through the stimulus material, but don't start the questions until we've just discussed it. Okay, so we're looking at, these are the hidden messages that they're shown, and then how much they drink when they were very thirsty, moderately thirsty, or not thirsty at all. Okay, this information down here is not important. Okay, question 12, have a look, and when you're ready, come back live. When you're looking at these sort of questions, you might look at what you could find interesting. These two are a little bit more interesting, so they might be the ones you might start with, but we could just go through and eliminate. So, for instance, what results are supported, the amount drank depending on what the level of thirst is. When they were very thirsty, 12 not thirsty, so that went up and that went down, so that's not important. Question 20, people who are relaxed by happy face. Okay, so people who are relaxed by happy face drink the most even if they're not thirsty. Well, that's not right. They drank most when they were thirsty, so that's not right. So we're left with C and D. Okay, so we're looking at, say, for instance, C should avoid comedies. If they want to sell drinks, well, when they had a comedy face on, people still drank. It didn't matter if they drank, if they were very thirsty or not thirsty, they still drank. So when they say avoid, that's probably not right, but let's just check answer D. Okay, advertisers should not show if they want to sell drinks to thirsty people. Well, these are thirsty people, and when they got shown an angry face, they didn't drink. Okay, and that's the right answer. Okay, so before we start question 13, I'll just rub out all that junk again so you can just focus on the information. So have a read through the question for 13 and work out what is your best answer. Okay, so we're back again and we're looking at exposing to happy and angry faces. So we're looking at this data and we're looking at which is the best. So A, only those who are very thirsty. Well, or vice versa. So these people increased. These people, so that was an increase. That was an increase. That was a decrease. Okay. So these are both increases. So it's not only those. So only those who are very thirsty, moderately thirsty. So they both increase. So let's pick a tick on that. Only those who are moderately or thirsty. No, no. So answer B showed an increase when they were shown a happy face. For very thirsty, so this only killed off the first one because both those first two had an increase. And that's the end of that block. Bye.